Plant family, 69 genera in Iridaceae. A gardener's fascination, the enchanting Iridaceae. As a gardener, I've always been captivated by the delicate beauty and striking diversity of flowering plants. Among my favorites is the Iridaceae family, a group of plants renowned for their elegant blooms and fascinating adaptations. From the iconic iris to the vibrant crocosmia, this family offers a wealth of horticultural treasures to explore. The enchanting world of Iridaceae. The Iridaceae family, commonly known as the iris family, comprises approximately 69 genera and over 1,800 species of flowering plants. These plants are distributed worldwide, thriving in a variety of habitats, from rocky mountainsides to sunny meadows. What sets the Iridaceae apart is their unique floral structure, characterized by 3 petals and 3 sepals, often indistinguishable in appearance. These blooms are typically showy, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Genera of the Iridaceae family. The Iridaceae family boasts an impressive array of genera, each with its own distinct charm. Iris, the namesake of the family. Iris is a beloved genus known for its large, showy flowers in a spectrum of colors. From the classic bearded iris to the delicate Siberian iris, these plants are a staple in gardens worldwide. 332 species in genus Iris. Crocosmia, with its fiery orange and red blooms, Crocosmia adds a touch of drama to any landscape. These plants are native to South Africa and thrive in sunny locations. 9 species in genus Crocosmia. Gladiolus. These tall, elegant flowers are a favorite for cut arrangements. Gladiolus comes in a dazzling array of colors and forms, adding a vertical accent to gardens. 296 species in genus Gladiolus. Freesia. With their sweet fragrance and delicate blooms, freesias are a popular choice for bouquets and corsages. These plants are native to South Africa and prefer well-drained soil. 16 species in genus Freesia. Tigridia. Also known as the tiger flower, Tigridia boasts exotic, spotted blooms that resemble a tiger's coat. These plants are native to Mexico and Central America and thrive in warm climates. 62 species in genus Tigridia. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Exploring the diversity of Iridaceae. The Iridaceae family offers a treasure trove of horticultural wonders to discover. Beyond the well-known genera, there are countless other fascinating plants to explore, each with its own unique beauty and adaptations. From the delicate Moraea to the vibrant Babyana, the Iridaceae family continues to inspire and amaze gardeners worldwide. Cultivating Iridaceae in your garden. Many Iridaceae plants are relatively easy to cultivate, making them a popular choice for gardeners of all skill levels. Most prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, although some species thrive in partial shade. Whether you're looking to add a splash of color to your borders or create a stunning cut flower garden, the Iridaceae family has something to offer. Conclusion. As a gardener, I'm constantly drawn to the beauty and diversity of the Iridaceae family. These plants offer a wealth of horticultural possibilities, from the classic elegance of iris to the exotic charm of Tigridia. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I encourage you to explore the enchanting world of Iridaceae and discover the magic these plants can bring to your garden.